Hello class 3. Once again welcome to our mathematics class. So today I am going to teach exercise 10.1 okay about money. So everyone knows money, no? Everyone has seen money. So can you recognize how many rupees is this? Yeah, this is 20 rupees note, and this is, yes, 100 rupee note, and this is, yes, 50 rupees note, and this is 5 rupees note, no? So 10 rupees. So what is telling here in warm up, complete the table. It means 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1 rupee, how much? 16 rupees, and 16 rupees in word. Okay, so this one also you count and try to do by yourself in your book. Okay, page number 108. Okay, so today I am going to teach exercise 10.1. Okay, what is written here? Number 1, convert into pies. Okay, so number 1, convert into paise. Okay, convert into pies. So number A, it is given here. How much? Rupees 9. So how will convert this one? We have to convert into pies. Okay, so just remember, keep in mind, okay, 1 rupee, rupees 1 equal how much? 100 pies. So 100 pies, keep in mind, okay, 1 rupee is equal to how many pies? Yes, 100 paise. So to convert, just keep in mind, okay, to convert rupees and pies, to convert rupees into pies, what you have to do? Remove rupees and dot, okay, to write P for pies at the end. Okay, so we will remove now. Suppose number A we have rupees 9. So how we will remove? We will remove dot, the dot, or RS, rupees, this one, and we will keep here at the end. We have to remove rupees R and dot, okay, and at the end we have to put S, then it will be pies. Okay, so 9 rupees, so it will be how much? 900. I have removed the dot because to make pies we have to remove the dot to make it into pies. So this is pies. Okay, so rupees 9 equal how many pies? 900 pies. How it will be? How this one? Look here, 9 to make into pies, 9 into 100 equal, see, rupees 9 into 100 equal 900 paise. This is pies. So answer we got 900 pies. Okay, see here. Okay, number B. What is the question number B? 16.26 this is rupees. Okay, RS, rupees, how much? 16.26, that means 16 rupees to 26 paise. So how will make this one? So just will remove. Okay, so 16,000 rupees, how much? 1626 pies. So this is our answer. Okay, number C. How is number C? 7.75 rupees. Okay, rupees, 7 rupees 75 pies. So how will be? 775 P. Okay, so this is our answer. So have you understood? Okay, if you have understood, you try to do from number D. Okay, number D to I by yourself in your book. Okay, now we will convert into rupees. Okay, now we have convert this one from rupees to pies. They say now this one convert into rupees. Okay, this pies is given here, so we will convert this one into rupees. Okay, rupees. So we have, in order to, just keep in mind, okay, in order to convert pies into rupees, what you have to do, count two digit from right. Okay, from right from the right, and put a dot there. Okay, and at the end we have to write what? RS. Before, at the beginning, write RS at the beginning. Okay, so in order to convert into pies into rupees, what you have to do, from if from counted, we have to put dot from, okay, from the right and put what? Dot there. Suppose number A, we have 355 pies equal, how will do? See, in order to convert pies into rupees, what you have to do, we have to count from two digit from right. Okay, from right, see, two digit, 1 2, from 1 2, and then we have to put what? Dot. Then we have to put what? Rupees. See, I have count from right. Okay, 1 2, and I will put here dot. That means 3 rupees 55 pies. Okay, 3 rupees 55 pies. Okay, so this is our answer. It's very simple. Okay, just count from right hand side and 2 with 2 digit. Okay, 1 2, and then you put dot. Okay, now the remaining will become rupees and this will become pies. So 3 rupees 55 pies. Okay, now number B, we have 560 pies equal rupees. First I have written rupees here, so count from right hand side 2 digit, 1 2 here, 5.60. so this is our answer. Okay, number C, 2157 pies equal, we'll write first RS rupees, and then from right hand side count 1 2, then you give here 21.75. so this is our answer, rupees 21.57 paise. Okay, pies. So this is our answer. It's very easy. So number D to I, you try to do by yourself in your book. Okay, so this is your homework. So if you have any doubt, you go through page number 109 up here. Okay, conversion of rupees into pies, you read thoroughly. Okay, and you will able to do. Okay, so hope you have understood. So if you have understood, then enough for today. Okay, so thank you class.